Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling your phone's mobile hotspot and confirming the hotspot name and password. Once done, pick 2. 4 GHz if your device offers both bands because Ps4 often prefers it. Make sure data is sufficient and tethering is allowed by your carrier. Next, power on the Ps4 and head to Settings, then Network. You'll choose Set up Internet Connection and select Use Wi-Fi. Don't connect yet. We'll switch to manual entry in the next slide. Now select Wi-Fi, choose Easy, and pick your phone's SSID from the list. Enter the hotspot password carefully, passwords are case-sensitive, and set IP settings to Automatic DHCP so the Ps4 receives an address without extra steps. For DNS, leave it automatic unless you use custom DNS. Once connected, run the Internet Connection test. Note NAT type and ping because they affect online play. If speeds are low, move closer to the phone or disable other heavy phone apps. Finish by adjusting hotspot settings. Disable sleep timeout and set the hotspot to stay active while charging because interruptions break Ps4 sessions. Keep the phone near the console to reduce packet loss and close background apps that use data. If you see NAT strict or moderate, try enabling UPnP via your tethering app or place a portable router between phone and Ps4. If anything fails, reboot both devices. Forget the network on Ps4, then reconnect. That usually resolves stubborn handshake or DHCP issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.